First, tap the screen to start your order. Choose your meal from the right side that you want to take order. After ordering, proceed to the payment and review your order correctly. Lastly, choose between dine-in or take-out for your order and choose SOAP mode of payment. Enjoy your meal!